Hi friends, welcome back to my channel for another Sadie Stickers Mystery Kit reveal. Today we have the August mystery subscription hiding under these gorgeous vellums. This kind of gives you a little bit of a sneak peek of our florals and what we're going to be seeing in this gorgeous collection. I do have both the weekly and the decorative that we're going to go through in this video like we do in every video. But if this is your first time, maybe this is the first video you're clicking on. I have been MIA for a while, so there might be some new people that just see this pop up. If you're new, hi guys, my name's Cassie and I share all kinds of planner related content here on my channel. I do get mystery subscriptions every month from a few shops, and so I like to share those. I'll let you guys see what those are about and just share some details in case you are looking for something to subscribe to and get some fun happy mail every month. So this one is the Sadie stickers, and I'm going to go ahead and jump in and share this collection with you. If you're not new and you're coming back after my little hiatus, thank you guys. I appreciate you for hanging out and waiting for me. I promise I am trying to get back into the swing of things here. So I'm a little rusty, so please bear with me. I feel like I've been gone forever and it's really only been a couple months. So, okay, so here's our weekly kit. I usually like to go over this one first because I feel like you get a really good vibe for what the decorative is going to look like. So this one is like quintessential fall. Absolutely love it. It says adventure awaits, so it's kind of like, this to me feels like a really good like fall hiking, or if you have like any kind of fall outdoor adventures, this would be a perfect kit to like commemorate that and put that in your memory planner. I'm obsessed with this little like hot tub. I think it's a hot tub. Maybe it's inside. I don't know. I can't quite tell. My husband and I are going to the mountains this weekend, and we totally got an Airbnb that has a hot tub. So my mind is on that right now. Okay, also this kit is in rose gold in case sometimes it's hard to tell with the lighting. But I love this little scene here. Oh my gosh, with like the little leaves dancing and this lake. I get to drive by a really pretty lake like almost every day on my way home. And today the leaves look like this, like blowing out of the trees down the road. And then like I cross over the lake and it's just gorgeous. I just love fall, you guys. Let me know in the comments, is fall your favorite? It's definitely my favorite. Okay, here is our boxes page. So this is kind of more of our functional, your circles, ovals, squares, midi boxes, and then third boxes. I had to think for a minute. Third boxes and some quarter boxes. And you got a little bit of like sprinkling of foil. And then this is our kind of more journaly page in here. You do have some little deco. Love the swatches. These Polaroids are cut out in the middle, so you can like build a little scene if you want, or you can keep it together. And then you've got a bunch of watercolor shapes, some grid papers, and then your torn paper, torn edges. And this would be great if you do, like need like a to-do list or something too, if you're using it functionally. And then this is our bottom washi. Love the wood grain, so pretty. You know what I just realized too? I have an old Simply Gilded washi that looks just like this, and it's rose gold. I might have to pull that in with a spread. I haven't pulled washi into my spreads in a really long time. How about you guys? Do you still use like washi rolls? Let me know. And then we have our headers here. We've got the lace, what's the word I'm looking for? It's not a divider. These are the dividers. This is like a washi strip. And then your days of the week. So that's our 4-page base kit. And then you always get add-ons in these collections. So we've got our deco. So you've got some larger deco here that matches the kit. Love, oh my gosh, how fun is that? Like that like belongs in like a log cabin or something, right? I just love these colors. Oh, this little scene, so good. And then we also get our florals. You got the 2 washi strips and then a bunch of bouquets and piecier items. These are great like in your date cover area, or to use like on a box with an icon. They're just nice and small. And then, oh, I kind of went out of order, didn't I? I guess this is page 6. Sorry, guys. This is the journaling page where you've got like your days of the week, more little torn papers, some arches. We do have some more florals and some stamps, kind of like stamps and frames, bigger edges. Lots of good journaling elements. And then you also get alcohol ink. You turn it this way. I feel like horizontal, you can see everything better. You've got all kinds of different shades and sizes. Just a really good variety. I do wish we had alcohol ink with a decorative. That would be cool. Always wanting something, right? And then lastly, we get a foiled add-on. This is in the rose gold foil to match the collection, and you do get a bunch of different foiled elements that match the kit. Look at those trees. Oh, do you see that foiling? It's like perfection. And this fire, I'm obsessed with that giant fire. So pretty. So that is the regular weekly kit. And then let me just put this back in order here because of my OCD. And then let's get the decorative out. So decorative, I do get on washi paper. You can get it on washi or premium. So I'm sure there are other people on YouTube that share the premium matte version if you are interested in that, but I will always have the washi because it's my favorite. So page 1 is our florals, just like flowers, kind of larger size. Page 2 is our bouquets. This does have that rose gold like splatter foil. You've got, what, 10 bouquets on this one? Yeah, it's a good amount. And then our elements, so kind of just like deco, matches that journaling kit. I think the deer is going the opposite direction. Is he going a different direction? Let's see. Yeah, he is. See, going in different directions. So if you have both, that's kind of nice that you have the 2 different directions there for that. Like when they invert things, there's like the non-foil version of that beautiful fire. Love it. And then this is our edges. I love that she takes up space in the middle with some florals. So we've got the floral flat edges, some corners on here too. I love that. And then you've got like the blowing leaves over it. So fall. And then this is our layered page, always one of my faves. I just love how Alicia, oh my gosh, look, see, look how she did that. There's a little bow. Stop it, that's adorable. I just love the way she layers things. I just think it's so pretty. Look at the splatter in the foil or in the fire. Ugh, love. And then the little stamps across this really like foggy scene. So good. And this is like a little journal and it looks like a little postage stamp. Kudos, Alicia. Love the way you did that. Okay, then we have our paper strips. So different torn papers with different patterns. You've got like the floral pattern, but with some different background colors. And then our dates and dates. So you've got your days of the week, some scripts, and then your date dots. And then we have our borders, kind of like the edges, but longer. So you've got a few more edges here, and then the 2 longer ones with that gorgeous leaf foiling. And then we have scenes. So we've got 2 large scenes. Love this. This is totally gonna be us this weekend. I'm like, I plan to just sit in the hot tub all weekend and enjoy the outdoor scenery of the mountains in North Carolina. Okay, this is our box swatches. These are typically matching the collection, which I have in my hand. So sometimes the boxes are opposite, but a lot of times they are the same. So you can see like just a smaller version of the same boxes. Like there's the fire, but it's a little bit smaller, a little bit different foil elements. And then same thing with the trees. So very similar. And then we have our paper, paper strips, our swatches. So you've got the 2 long ones and then the 2 shorter ones. I love, since I have these on washi, that I can rip them and make them look like really cool. So my fave with those. And then lastly, we have another page of the foiled add-on. So you do get 2 if you're getting both collections, which is always nice because I don't have to decide like which collection gets the good foil. They both get the good foil. So that is a huge plus. It didn't used to be included in the decorative, and Alicia listened to feedback and brought that in. And I love that she's always listening to like what we want in the community. So Alicia, thank you. Okay guys, that's everything. That is the weekly and the decorative for our August subscription. Hope you guys enjoyed. This is not in the shop anymore, so I apologize. I know it's like I share these, but you can't get them. But if you missed out and you love this idea, make sure you go subscribe. I am on her PR team, but you cannot use my code on the subscriptions. If you pick anything else up in the shop, my code is Cassie20. You can use that to save 20% and then put my name in the notes to seller to get my freebie. So that's everything. Drop me a comment. Let me know what you guys think about this collection, and I will catch up with you all in the next video. Thanks so much. Bye.